You said, that you changed the packaging, you made it more premium, in perfumes, gifting is a huge segment.
Absolutely.
Gift perfumes, right, left, and center. So, how important is packaging when it comes to that? Because I've seen, that packaging plays a huge role when it comes to gifting. Because even if the person has to forward the gift, let's be honest, the packaging is what matters.
So see, packaging in fragrance, especially, I believe also in makeup now, but fragrance, it's very important because, especially when you're selling online, whether it comes to gifting or buying for yourself, your first handshake with your product is the packaging.
Right.
You take it out of the box, you hold it. That's your first impression of the product. When packaging is done well, like for us, we have a rigid box in which the perfume comes. Then when you open the bottle, it's a heavy bodied glass, a heavy glass bottle. It has a magnetic cap, and there's no plastic. It's all aluminum and glass, right? Now, these details, for instance, in our packaging, signal to the customer that somebody has put a lot of care, intent, in building this product for them.
When you open any parcel, even if it's from Amazon, if it's packaged well, you're sold midway.
Absolutely.
So I think it's just 40% decision perfume try करने पहले से ही बन जाता है. That how are you influenced by the packaging, by the print, by the GSM of the paper.
Absolutely. I'm glad you spoke about GSM of the paper. That means you've been watching, carefully observing all the packaging.
I'm a very keen observer and detailer. अच्छा, okay, this is the type of print, this is the paper finish, this is the GSM, because it's the details that separates you. Like you said, the magnetic cap, the finish of the bottle.
Yeah.
What separates you from you as a brand, from you as your competition, from you as everything.
You're absolutely right.
What do you think the magnetic cap and the finish of the bottle impacts? Like, how does these factors impact in long term?
There is like this thesis that there are two types of brands. One you keep on your dresser and one you keep in your bathroom cabinet, right? So for us, for example, our bottle is polished twice, right? It has this shine, it is fire polished, it is hand lacquer polished as well. Even the aluminum is polished, so it's really shiny. And when you close the bottle, you feel like the grip of the magnet, And even the atomizer that we use, it like you get like this cloud mist of fragrance. Right now, these are things that are making you experience the product in a different way from another perfume brand, right? Normally, they have the spray thing, and it's plastic, the atomizer, and the cap is plastic. These things, how they fit in your palm, these kind of things really enhance your entire experience. Obviously, the perfume is sitting at the heart of all of this. But these things signal again to the customer that somebody has really taken a lot of pain in designing this product for them. And they want them to experience the best that they can offer at this price point. Right? So these things matter for us. We've got a lot of appreciation for our magnet caps, for our bottles, so much so that now I've seen 3-4 new brands have got the exact same bottle.
Really?
Yes. They've got the exact same bottle. They've made the exact same websites, which is okay. It's fine, I guess. Everyone has their own go-to-market strategy. So yeah, we got a lot of appreciation for it, and this is what people say that, oh, we get so surprised when they open it, you don't feel the magnet, but when you close it, you do. So they say that, oh my God, I got such a surprise, after using the perfume. So it's like it's an enhanced customer experience, and who doesn't want to feel a little extra pampered, right? Why not?
Yeah.
So these things matter, and I think that's exactly what we were going for. We wanted to make the customer feel, like I told you, that they bought something nice for themselves, more value. Indian customers are very discerning. They judge the product from all.
I think cracking an Indian customer is the hardest in the whole world.
Absolutely, we are spoiled.
We are spoiled.